Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an honest review of the Cursor background agent, its strengths, weaknesses, and whether it is worth using. So Cursor background agent is designed to let AI handle coding tasks in the background. It runs your project in a separate environment and sends back pull requests and changes. The good part is speed and convenience. It is solid for quick fixes, code formatting, and small refactors. GitHub integration works smoothly here. You can even queue multiple agents at once. For routine jobs, it saves time and lets you focus on the bigger work. But there are drawbacks too, like it burns through credits quickly since it uses the heavy AI models. Setup can sometimes be frustrating with the environment and dependency issues. And while the pull requests are useful, they often need the cleanup because commit messages and formatting don't always match your standards. So overall, Cursor background agent is a handy helper for the small tasks, but it is not reliable enough to replace your own coding or review. So you can use it with supervision and you will get the value without any surprises. So what do you think about it? Would you trust it in your future projects? Let me know that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.